Okay, with this recipe you can make 4 meals which contain 3 rice bowls per container. Yeah, so this is the recipe for the rice bowls with tuna. So you need 3 tuna cans. It can be olive oil or it can be anything, just tuna can. You need sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, mayonnaise, rice. Put it there. These rice bowls, it's gonna be four meals. Two full spoon of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3. And 2 spoon of soy sauce. It counts 1.5. And like yeah. I put 2.5, it's okay, Then I can put and we need sugar. 4 spoon, right? Yeah, it should be 4 spoon. Because we put 2 spoon of rice vinegar and soy sauce each. So it should be double for sugar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4.5 or 5. It's good enough. Then you just mix them up. How many? I just say it should be spoon. It's 2 big spoon. Yeah, let's count. 1, 2, 3. It's too big. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's stop here because I like 7. Number 7. And yeah, we need this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, before I mix it, I need to put serrano pepper, gochu in Spanish.
Pimiento verde.
Okay, so you don't have to put pepper, serrano pepper. I'm putting it because I like spicy food. I mean, Alex doesn't like it, but it's not too spicy, so here we go. Let's mix it. Let's move it. So I didn't wash my hands, but you want to wash my hands?
I don't care.
Okay. Okay, so I think I'm just touching the food. It's beautiful. 1, 2, Okay, with this recipe you can make 4 meals which contain 3 rice bowls per container. You can put 3 or 4 rice bowls, but it really depends on how much rice you put in there when you make it. And also I put eggs on top of rice bowls, it also if you want to. Okay, thank you for watching our video and see you in next video. Bye!